Garrett Pearson from Rockville, Maryland. I'll be going to Virginia Commonwealth University on the right-handed pitcher.
Greg Jakuzik, pitcher, Stevens Institute of Technology, The Woodlands, Texas.
I'm Nick Moreland. I'm a right-handed pitcher. I go to the University of Delaware, and I'm from Silver Spring, Maryland.
Hi, my name is Michael Austin. I am a pitcher. I go to Bethune-Cookman University, and I'm from Sykesville, Maryland.
Alright, my name's Connor Tagg. I'm a pitcher from Case Western Reserve University, and I live in Springfield, Virginia.
Josh Grant, I'm a pitcher from Page University from Corning, New York.
Daniel Gaffney O'Donnell, right-handed pitcher from Collegiate University, Carolina, only Maryland.
Rob Galligan, left-handed pitcher, University of Maryland, Wissahickon Cove, New York.
Josh Cosmore, right-handed pitcher, University of South Carolina, Beaufort, and Sumter, South Carolina.
Jordan Church, right-handed pitcher, Sam Houston State from Round Rock, Texas.
Drafted, winning the championship my senior year in high school.
Making it to regionals this year.
Last summer, I threw a perfect game.
My best baseball memory is pitching in a regional.
My best baseball memory is winning the 2012 Northern Regional Championship.
Going to the regional tournament last year.
Hitting 2 home runs in Cooperstown in 7th grade.
Probably a couple weeks ago, winning the regional in South Carolina.
Winning the state title with high school baseball, 4A.
Throwing no-hitter in high school my junior year.
Danny O'Donnell.
Coach Doug Raymer.
Go with Connor Tagg.
Kyle Norman's definitely my favorite teammate.
Nick Moreland.
Jake Taylor.
Wade Newman.
Pat Heisel.
David Stinson.
Ooh, Hallsworth.
Monkey.
Probably a Lion.
Probably an Eagle.
I would be a Tiger.
A cheetah.
Probably a bear.
Giraffe.
Lion.
A liger.
Tiger.
Probably just at the pool every day in the summer.
Probably working. It would suck.
Where?
At home.
Probably just hanging out with my friends, playing sports, and hanging out with my girlfriend. That's about it.
I would be hanging out on the beach in Florida.
Sleeping.
Working at home.
I'd be living on a boat in Alaska, fishing every day.
Yeah, that's it.
Working my internship in Bethesda.
Be working with my mom up in the doctor's office.
Fishing and hanging out with my family.
Great.